Hello, wonderful people. Let's solve for the value of x. You are welcome to my channel. Now, this is where manipulation will start from, because a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay, therefore we can write this as 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. Okay, if you have a to the power of mn, okay, it is equal to a to the power of m raised to the power of n, and also equal to a to the power of n raised to the power of m. Okay, therefore we can write this as 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2, because 2 to the power of 1 is still 2. Now we have 6 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x multiplied by 2. Now let's divide through by 4 to the power of x. If we do that, we have 6 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x multiplied by 2 divided by 4 to the power of x. If this is the first time you've seen this amazing channel, click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. Yes. Please tune in at your convenience. We always upload videos daily, so whether you see the notification or not, tune in whenever you can. There must be a new video for you to watch, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video. Now, when you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, okay, it is equal to a over b raised to the power of m. So we are going to introduce that here. Therefore, we can write this as 6 over 4 raised to the power of m plus 9 over 4 raised to the power of m is equal to what? 2. All right. Now, x. So we have x and we have x. Now 6 is the same thing as what? 3 multiplied by 2, and 4 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x, plus 9 is the same thing as 3 squared, and 4 is the same thing as 2 squared raised to the power of x is equal to 2. Now this will divide this. We have 3 over 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 over 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. I brought out the 2 because it is common for both of them, is equal to 2. Okay, therefore we can write this as 3 over 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 over 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2. Yes, we can interchange the powers. If there are two powers, we can interchange the position and it is okay. All right, now we have 3 over 2 to the power of x, 3 over 2 to the power of x. Let's call it something. So we have 3 over 2 to the power of x. Let's call it y. All right. Now, if that is the case, therefore that means we can recall, or we can write this as y plus y squared is equal to 2. Okay, now we can bring this in. Okay, so we have y plus y squared minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, so let's interchange this. All right, so let's write our y squared first, followed by our y, then our constant is equal to 2. Now we need two factors of minus 2, that when we add them together we get plus 1, and that is 2 and minus 1. Okay, so because the coefficient of this is 1, I can factorize this faster using this method. We have y here and we have y, so we got 2 and minus 1, right? Yes. So from here we can see that y plus 2 is equal to 0, and y minus 1 is also equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. But recall, we are not looking for the value of y, rather we are looking for the value of x. So let's recall that our y is equal to, where did I write that? Yeah, Recall where we say let our y be equal to 3 over 2. Yeah, here 3 over 2 to the power of x. So but y is 3 over 2 raised to the power of x. Okay, so we can now write that 3 over 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 1. We are solving for this. Okay, is equal to 1. Now because the value, the power is what we are looking for, we can't solve it without introducing log to both sides of the equation. So if we introduce log to both sides of the equation, we are going to have log 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to log 1. All right. Okay, now when you have log a raised to the power of b, it is equal to b multiplied by log a. That means that we can write this as x multiplied by log 3 over 2 is equal to log 1. All right. Okay, excuse me. Yeah, therefore we have x log 3 over 2 is equal to log 1. Now we are going to divide both sides of this equation by what? Log 3 over 2. But first, recall that log 1 is equal to 0, right? Yes, log 1 is equal to 0. So we have x log 3 over 2 is equal to 0. So our x is equal to 0 divided by log 3 over 2. And anything divided, 0 divided by anything is 0. Therefore, the first value of our x is 0. Now, going to the second value. The second value is a negative number. And as you can see, to get the value of x, we are going to introduce log to the equation. Now, if we introduce log, there is nothing like log of a negative number. So this is going to give us an undetermined solution. So this is not valued. We are not going to use this, is dejected. Therefore, the only value of our x is what? 0. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.